how to transfer money from PayMaya to GCash. Una, open mo lang yung Maya application. Ayan. Ayan, input mo lang yung password mo sa Maya. Okay, ayan. So, ayan na. X mo lang yan. So, ayan. Click mo yung bank transfer. Bank transfer, ayan. So, dyan, hanapin mo yung GCash. So, ayan. GCash. Okay, GCash, G-Exchange or GCash. Ayan, enter mo yung amount na send mo. Okay, so take note, may 15 pesos na transfer fee pag nag-transfer from PayMaya to GCash. Katulad lang din ng GCash to PayMaya, may 15 pesos sa transfer fee din. So, ayan. Input mo lang yung purpose ng pag-send mo. Sa akin is payment. So, ayan. Account number. Input mo lang yung number ng pag-sendan mo. Cellphone number. Ayan. So, your account name ng pag-sendan mo. Ayan. Okay, pag okay na, click continue. Okay, so ayan, click continue. So ayan, check mo lang yung details. Pag okay na, click transfer now. So dyan, enter mo lang yung one-time code or PIN na sisend ni Maya through text messages. Ayan. So, input natin. Pag okay na, click verify. Ayan. Make sure na tama yung PIN. So, next, click verify. Ayan. Click nyo lang yung view receipts. So, ayan na yung receipt niya. So, screenshot mo lang. At, ayun. Tapos na. Ganun lamang po kadali at kasimple mag-transfer ng money from PayMaya to GCash. So, ayan. Money transferred. Success. You transferred 663 pesos to G-Exchange in GCash. Sa GCash naman, you have received money in GCash. 663 cash.